This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your phone number on Telegram. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Telegram app. To hide your phone number on Telegram, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways, down to where I see privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security. Then you want to scroll down a little further, down to the privacy section, and the very top thing there, phone number. As you can see, I have mine set to nobody, but I'm going to tap on phone number. It says who can see my phone number. Gives you three options: everybody, my contacts, or nobody. You can see I have a check mark next to nobody. Nobody can see my phone number. Down below that it says who can find my phone number, everybody or my contacts. It says down below that users who add your phone number to their contacts will see it on Telegram only if they are your contacts. Down below that, you can make exceptions to whatever you select, but the main part is right up here, who can see my phone number. Thanks for watching.